Hello everyone, it's Amy, and I had a request to show how the drawer unit looked once it was filled and how the little containers fit in it. And I was going to go ahead and put it on the end of next week's video when I did that today, and I forgot. So I thought I'll just come on here and just do a quick video to show you how it looks filled. And it does fit 5 of the little rectangular containers in each drawer. And then the smaller containers, like this, it fits 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of those across. And those are the ones that are smaller like this. And then the little end parts fit 1 of these, the rectangle size ones. And then if you put the small containers in the end, it fits 3 of them. And then the larger round containers, it fits 2 in each end, and it fits 8 across through here. You can kind of squeeze one more in there, but it's kind of squeezed in there. So I just would prefer to have it over there so they're not, you know, squashed, tipping or whatever. And so that is what it looks like, and that's how the different containers fit in there. So that is the finished drawer unit, all full. And so I hope that you did enjoy the video today and you enjoy how this looks now that I've got it filled. Thank you very much for all of your support. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.